To set up NFC cards for the LFC biodigester, you must first access the setup screen. Access the running or stopped screen. Press Setup. If prompted for a password, follow the instructions in the user's manual. Navigate to the Setup for screen. Press the Permitted NFC Cards button. Configure the card number. Use the plus and minus buttons to set the card number. Inner buttons adjust by 1. Outer buttons adjust by 10. Do not program card number 100, which is reserved for service use. Start with card number 2 and proceed sequentially. Authorize the NFC card. Present the NFC card to the card reader. The screen will update, allowing you to name the card up to 16 characters using numbers and English letters. Use the up arrow to toggle between upper and lower case. Use the back arrow to delete characters. Press OK to save. Repeat for additional cards. Authorize each card sequentially, writing the card number and name on the provided space. Your NFC card is now authorized and ready to use. When you scan the NFC card on the LFC 300 biodigester and larger units, the door will automatically open and allow you to add waste. Scan the NFC card again to close the door. You have successfully set up your NFC card for the LFC biodigester. Contact PowerNot support if you have questions or require additional assistance.